And today, let me suggest to you this churrasco or Brazilian-style barbecue with chimichurri sauce to make you and your party truly unforgettable. Now, I'll teach you how to make this recipe right here in my beautiful kitchen. Okay guys, now let's start with our chicken first. So, nilagay ko dito yung ating Magnolia Chicken Smart Packs. Ito siya. Ang ating chicken wings from Magnolia na skinur ko na. Ayan. Naka-prepare na siya. Approximately about 1/4 kilo na siya na naka-prepare. So, sigurado ko na walang masasayang. And it's raised in stress-free environments without any antibiotics, any steroids, or any hormones. And I know it's fortified with omega-3. So, for sure, pasok. Okay, now we're ready for that. I am going to season the chicken with pepper, salt, on both sides. Both sides. What I really love about Magnolia chicken is that I'm sure that it's made wholesome and fresh. And ito kasi yung brand talaga na favorite ng family namin kahit noon pa. Ito yung binibili ng mommy ko kahit noon pa. Kaya sure ako na quality talaga to. Let me preheat this pan. Habang umiinit yung pan na yan, I will start the dry rub with the oil, the cayenne pepper, paprika, and the brown sugar. Paghahalo ko ngayon yan. Wow. Now that I've mixed that together, isa-spread ko ngayon yan with our chicken. I will baste this with our Magnolia chicken that's been seasoned with salt and pepper. On all sides, make sure na covered lahat ng sides ng chicken natin. Yan. Yan. Once that's ready, we're ready to finally cook our chicken. Okay? Wow. Now, we make sure to cook it on all sides. So, once this is finished, we turn it over. Hindi pa siya luto. So, let's wait a little bit. Kung may natira pang mixture dito, okay lang na last minute, ihalo nyo siya. Kasi sayang naman to, added flavor din to sa dish nyo, di ba? Yan. Minsan, ito pa nga yung mas masarap eh. Yung pahabol. Alam mo yun? Yan. Okay. Higher? Lower fire. Yan. While that's cooking, it's time for us to prepare the salad that comes with it. So right here, I have the salad, and all I have to do is mix in the cherry tomatoes, pomelo, and the croutons. Tapos, to make sure that we really get the nice dressing for it, we have olive oil mixed with balsamic vinegar. Paghaluin na lang natin para easier. And the honey. Mix all of that together and then drizzle it on your salad. And then toss that together. Now, there's your salad. Now let me check on the chicken. Check on the chicken! Okay. Looks good. So, the thing about this is, I have actually never tried doing this at home. It's usually a dish that's prepared either by my mom or something that I taste outside. So, this is gonna be a first for me. But it's a very interesting dish. It's a nice twist, especially for Christmas season or Noche Buena, na kesa naman yung fried chicken na lang palagi, itry naman natin tong ibang version, di ba? Parang ganun din naman eh, pero may ibang klaseng marinade lang tayo and ibang klaseng sauce that comes with it. Okay, habang niluluto natin yan, I can, again, clear my counter here because I'm really so messy. Again, guys, you don't have to stick to just chicken. You can have any other kind of meat that you want. You can have chicken, you can also have pork, or whatever you feel like. Okay, now our chicken looks like it's ready. So I'm gonna turn this off. Prepare our chopping board. Ito na yung salad natin na ginawa natin kanina. Siyempre, hindi naman kompleto yung chicken natin kung wala yung ating chimichurri sauce. Okay, now we have our chimichurri sauce made out of lemon, garlic, olive oil, and finely chopped mint leaves. Okay? So, plate ko yan dito. here my churrasco or Brazilian-style barbecue with chimichurri sauce. Join us again for another hearty dish care of Pia right here in my beautiful kitchen.